Guys, this is it, your original agworo with Okpaka or Ugba, African oil bean seed, is ready. This is the way we make it in the southeast. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifeoma. Today's cooking video, I will be making what the southeast part of Nigerians call agworo, or in English, yam porridge with vegetables, with Ukpaka or yam vegetables. Yeah, so the ingredients for this include yam, of course. You have your yam, you have your green, we call it green in Nigeria, you can call it African spinach. Yeah, then you have ugu leaves, fluted pumpkin. We have catfish, dry catfish. You can decide to skip it. I like fish. You have your palm oil. Then you have your this is onga chicken cubes. Yeah. Then in here I have crayfish, habanero pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, and the star ingredient for this recipe is what the southeast people call Ugba or Ukpaka. It is called African oil bean seed in English. So, and this African oil bean seed is very, very rich in protein. Yeah, it is packed with many benefits. You get, it is rich in potassium, amino acids, iron, vitamins, phosphorus, copper, and manganese. So this Ugba or African oil bean seed is packed with lots of protein. So if you're somebody that want to incorporate protein into your meal, you should learn how to eat Ugba. So I would go ahead and prep the ingredients. Okay guys, I forgot, then salt to taste. Guys, yeah, first things first, you put the yam on fire, add water and boil it. I actually forgot one other ingredient. This is called Okpei. So I'll be using it to cook this. I'll go ahead and pound it now. So while I'm boiling the yam, I'm also boiling this as well. You remember the dry fish? I'm just boiling it to soften it, nothing else. So I'm boiling this. Yam is soft now. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the yams. It's soft. You check with your fork, but I checked. So this is it. It's already soft. I like soft yam. If he's my father now, he will say that this yam is soft, but I like soft yam. I don't like stress, I beg. So this yam is soft. I'll take it and wash it. Meanwhile, if you've not really washed it, I'll take out the water from the yams. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now. Hit on the subscription button so that whenever I post a new video, you will be one of the first to get a notification and watch my video. Go ahead and put the pot on fire. Guys, I have one small confession to make. You know, this new generation, we like to relearn and unlearn certain things and tweak things the way we want. So normal, I initially wanted to cook this like the way you cook yam porridge, maybe add the Ugba and vegetables, but I said to myself, no, this is not the way I learned when I was growing up to cook agworo, right? And that in as much as it will still turn out to be agworo, but I need to cook it the normal way that Igbo people from the southeast part of Nigeria make it, so that it is a way of preserving our history and probably our culture. Yeah, culture is a way of life and all of that, as we were taught. Yes, so it's a way of preserving our history and culture. I'll go ahead and add the palm oil. It's a way of preserving our history and culture, because if we keep doing this unlearning things and our culture goes away, we don't, the coming generation, they don't even know how these things were done before now. It won't really be nice. So I'm going to do it the way the Igbo people the way I learned how to cook it when I was growing up. Yeah, so like I said, palm oil. I'm not bleaching it to just, I think this is fine. Yeah, so I'm adding my onion left. So the next thing I'm adding is that pepper, a mix of ground pepper, crayfish, Okpei, ginger. Growing up, we were not using ginger and garlic, but I like adding ginger and garlic to my meals. So we just started doing the ginger and garlic thing. But since it's a nice one, ginger and garlic is medicinal and very nutritious. It makes your food taste very nice and flavorful, so I'm adding it. So the next thing I'll be adding is the dried fish. Okay, the dried fish that I remember that I boiled it to soften it, not like I boiled it to soften it, not like, since I didn't want to do that my new generation method. I want to do it the proper way. An Anambra or an Igbo person will do it. I'm proud of my roots, guys. Yeah, so proud of my roots. Can't trade it for anything. My next life I'll still be Igbo. Yes. So give it a quick stir. I reduce the heat. I don't want this to boil. Give it a quick stir and let it cook for about maybe 3 minutes. I'm trying to make it the right way. I am the Ada. I am the Ada. Ada is what they call first daughters. I'm the first daughter in my family. Although my father calls all of us Ada, because I'm from a family of all girls. So I am the Ada. And an Ada should try to preserve her culture, our way of life and all of that, and not distort it, especially those ones that are not bad, right? Yeah. So the next thing I'll be adding now is the Ugba. Then I'll quickly add my stock cube. I'm using Onga chicken. Yeah. Somebody should give a shout out to Onga for me. So I give it another stir. That's another stir, yeah. And allow it to cook for 1 minute, okay? So I'm going to just add a little water. Just because I want this to cook really well. Just add a little water so that it doesn't burn. Yeah, and give it a stir. It smells nice. At this point, I can also taste it for salt. Usually, I don't cook with salt, but let's see how this will turn out, yeah. Tastes really yum. So the next thing I'll add now is the yam. The yam, yeah. So this is the proper way to make it. Not like if you do that my sharp method I wanted to do before, that it won't be agwo, but the real way that growing up our grandmothers, our mothers did it, and we were very, and it that gave it that agworo warning. Agworo just means stir fry, as in like when you stir fry something, stir frying yam. So This is it. You see the little water I added helped. Okay, just give it a quick stir again. Remember that your yam has been cooked too, so it's soft. Give it a quick stir and let it cook for about 1 or 2 minutes, yeah, before you add the next ingredient. Okay guys, so this is it. So I'm going to go in now and add my ugu leaves. Remember, I'm cooking this with 2 vegetables, but the one I'm adding first is ugu because I'm thinking the ugu would take time to, you know, ugu is not that soft, yeah. So I'll add the ugu leaf, give it a quick stir, and cover it for 1 minute or maybe like 30 seconds before I add the second vegetable, which is green, yeah. So you see why they call it agwo and agwo. You stir fry it like this. Thank God I didn't do that my sharp method. It would have totally distorted the name of this thing. So because I like onion, I'm going to just sprinkle some onions on this. It's optional, but I like onions and I like biting onions with vegetable whenever I'm eating it. Then I'll add the last vegetable, which is the green. Also give it a quick stir. So guys, and your agworo is ready, yeah. If you like palm oil, you can add more. My own is, I'm not really a palm oil person, because when you see some, it's very shiny and it's the palm oil that makes it like that. So if you're somebody that's been looking for a way to incorporate vegetables, this is a very healthy meal. Blood booster, see the things inside, rich source of protein. So this is it. I'll go ahead now and serve it. This is it. Your original, authentic agworo, the way it is made by the Southeast Igbo people, part of Nigeria, is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys.